Good morning, this is Fermin Butre Romero, and this is competency-based language teaching CBLT. The most important thing is to step up from knowing to doing in this approach. Outputs are the focus on this approach. It is more important the products than the inputs that they gave. Concept. Performing real-life tasks or real-world problems. Knowledge produces new knowledge. That new knowledge is demonstrated by the instruction, is applied by the learner, and then is integrated into the learner's world. Assessment. It is a matter of mastery of learning, taking into account knowledge, attitudes, values, skills, and behaviors. Time required to master the task, teaching methods, and material use as the primary variables is the foundational research by Bloom, 1968. Implementation. Successful functioning in society, life skills, performance-centered orientation, this modularized instruction, explicit appearing outcomes, continuous assessment, performance objectives, and student-centered instruction. Advantages: learner needs and interest, competencies relevant and useful, specific and public competencies, and what has been learned and still remains to be learned, it is very important for them. Weaknesses: works well with some learning environments, less focus on preparing learners, where new skill and new knowledge need to be rapidly, it is not so clear. Objectivist approach, learning is an object, ignore social learning, and at last, learning styles is not the preferred for many students. Teachers' job is to devise more and more effective ways to transmit the skills and the world's fastest growing industries and priorities as the more important things. Thank you.